This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Scrap or whatever. Oh Nick, be careful, Nick, be careful, Nick. Oh my. Oh my god. Yeah. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
We're gonna be tired. Oh shit! Guy rear-ended the car.
Early school bus.
Yeah, right here. There's like a circle like about that big.
Whoa!
That was spooky.
I swear he hit.
No, he didn't hit.
And one of the characters is uncircumcised. He's like a 17, 18-year-old kid. And his girlfriend, who I think is Kate Mara, maybe a young Kate Mara. I it looked like her anyway. But she's kind of weird about the uncircumcised dick.
Or in my friend's car. But he said it's not in his car and he cleaned it out. Red light, sorry. I just got really that guy was doing the same thing. That guy did the exact. Now he's just stopped. What? What? You know, I think that's what distracted me. I saw that guy going.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, there must be a green. What is? What's? Alright, well, what is happening? She's on her phone. She's on her phone.
Wait, are you sure?
I just looked over and she was like this.
On the video saying, hey, well, just use WhatsApp or Telegram. And so to all those comments, yeah, it would be great if everyone could just have one multi-platform app and everyone uses and we could all get along.